This is Eternal Blade, and welcome to part 38 of the Ork Gunwagon tutorial. Alright, let's first start off by making a box about that long. That's pretty good. You don't want it too high, but that's pretty good. And rotate it. You can rotate it really whatever you want. So. And drag it right into the corner there. And then drag it down into the floor. Okay. Next, you're going to want to copy it a lot of times. Okay, and then you're going to want to copy it this way as well. Alright, then attach, or convert to editable poly, and attach all of those together. The reason being is you're going to want to boolean sections of this off so that it doesn't cut into the parts of the mesh you want to save for the actual chassis. Now if I was smart, I would have named these something different, like temp object, and then use the H key to select them all, but I didn't. Okay, stop the attach button, and then build a box, and you want to do it about right here, and up, bring it down, and then just line it up so you cut off the parts that you don't need. Okay, and convert to editable poly. Grab these vertices over here and just drag them left so it cuts out these. Okay, and then create another box right over here. Sink it down and make sure it cuts off these. Okay, select these compound objects, pro boolean, start picking, pick that, cut them off, and then pick that, and slice them off. Right. Convert that to an editable poly, and before you do anything, copy it over here. Okay, and mirror it and slide it into place. Okay. Next, select this right here, and save because it may crash. Start picking, pick that, and pick that. Okay, stop picking, convert to editable poly, zoom in here for a second. Alright, that looks pretty good actually. Much better than I anticipated. Good. Alright, Next, we're going to want to create a box right in here, about here to here. Okay, make it gray. Make it kind of thick because this is supposed to be like a big armor plate type thing, I guess. So make it the height about 1. Okay, convert to editable polygon. Select the top there, edges chamfer. Okay, and then you're going to want to select this, inset it about that much, and scale it inward a bit, and move it up. Okay, bevel these just a bit. Okay, extrude by about 1 again, and bevel. Okay. Next, we're going to want to create cylinders, I guess. Create a cylinder, kind of big. Give it 20 sides. Oops, sorry, 20. Rotate 90 degrees. Make sure angle snap is on. Okay, and just position it right there in the center. So we can even increase the size of that. Increase the radius to about 1.75. Okay, and then convert to editable polygon. Select the edges, inset, inset it, and extrude it just a bit. Okay, edge, ring, select those polygons, inset a little bit, and bevel on the local normal, bevel inward a bit. Okay. Next, you're going to want to create a box from about here to here. Make it a little thick. Okay, move it inward so it touches. Convert to editable polygon there, select edges, chamfer. Give it a small chamfer. Okay, and then select just the corner edges, and you're going to want to chamfer those as well, so it kind of makes it that kind of shape right there. Alright, and then you're going to want to create a cylinder using auto grid, about that big, so 0.58, give it 7 sides, convert to editable polygon, select the top, edges, chamfer. Okay, and you're just going to want to move it in place, so right there, right there, right there, right there, and right there. Okay, next select all those, copy them right here, mirror on the Y. Okay, bring them out a bit, and just sink them right back into the floor to get that kind of effect. Okay, and then select all the rest and copy it over here, and that'll be it for part 38. I will see you in part 39.